due to circumstances beyond our control.
Well, hello guys, it's JJTail from Chitty Let's Play. This time we're doing something a little bit different. We're not doing a gameplay video, we're doing an unboxing of the new Razer Seiren X. It's just arrived in my country, which is South Africa, so I'm very excited about this product. I have pre-ordered it since last year and it's finally arrived. Just to make things very clear, this is just going to be an unboxing. I will do a review of the microphone on a different video. A little things why reason I got this is because I've been excited about the Razer Seiren product for a while, but they've been out of supply in my country, and when they release this, it's smaller, it's cheaper, and it's dedicated to streaming, so this is perfect for me. And right now the setup that I'm using is I'm using a preamp box that goes from an XLR cable, you might see it on this side over here, an XLR cable to USB, which is a bit troublesome in that because the microphones tend to, I go through a lot of microphones because of it, and I go through a lot of those boxes. The translation on sound is never actually quite as good as I want it to be, and I wanted a USB device that I could just plug and play, so to speak, and is compatible with everything that I basically have. Right off the bat, the box is a very nice design. You can see it's got the two symbols here. It's got the OBS and the XSplit, which are the main obviously streaming programs to use. So this is actually very good because I actually do use both, and right now I have got a subscription, a free subscription with XSplit because of a different device that I bought. I think it actually came with the box. Yeah, it came with the preamp. I got a free subscription to XSplit, which is a bit ironic considering I'm buying this to avoid the preamp. Right, so we're just going to unbox this. I'm just going to move the microphone out the way. You might see me turn the lights on and off like so, just so that we can get a better view of what's inside. And I haven't opened this up yet, so I'm very excited. Oh, it's a very small box there, which is you know, you look on the website and it actually looks bigger, so let me just turn on the light. But there it is, there's our microphone, very nicely packed. So if we can just move this out the way just very quickly and bring it into view. There's got our mute button and our volume buttons. It's very small. As is described, it actually has a shock mount already built into the device, so we're just going to put this on the side here very quickly and bring the box back. Take out the foamy goodness. Oh, they have a nice little booklet inside here. I don't know what this is for. Let me get that out. Okay, it's a classic instruction manual, I guess. But there's a setup over here, very nicely, or should I say, very nicely put together. So let me just turn off the light there so we can see it. So there's the assembly guide there. Right, and some other paraphernalia. Let's put that to the side. Right, let's turn the light back on. Now we've got if you can see in there, everything's so neatly packed. They really are packed this nicely. So we'll take this out. Okay, so obviously that is going to be the stand, and this will be the mount for the stand. And then the lastly is you got the cable over here. I like that they use this cable, the woven cable, which makes it last longer. That's very nice. And it's so nice that the box is so compact, because you know, at any time if I wanted to pack it, I can actually still keep this box and put everything inside here, and it's very well insulated. Even the top actually has foam on it, so very well done, Razer, for your abilities to know what the people want. Okay, so just looking at the assembly here, let's quickly take a look at the instructions. Yes, I am doing it right. Okay, no, okay, so this has to go first. So let's just put this guy to the side again. Okay, so I can actually alter this in different angles too, which is very good. I am a little disappointed in the fact that unlike the other one came with a shock mount, the original Seiren microphone, and that's the actual one I wanted, and you could have multi-direction in that, but as mentioned, it's not available in South Africa. Everything got sold out. So Razer, if you watch this video, you know, I'll still invest in that, because I do do multiple forms of streaming. I do sometimes record 2 people at once, and I do sometimes stand up. But we'll see how good this is without having to use the mount, because now I have this huge mount stand that I might not actually need to use. So there it is set up. It's like I said, it's quite actually small, and the cable is also quite long. Let's just take a look, and it's nicely packaged together. So we're just gonna uncable it. So there's, I don't know if I can actually see, but it's quite a long cable. It might actually reach my PC. Even if you take notice, they even plug the top. They really took the time out to be professional about this, which I'm very, very happy about. Excuse me for my voice. I don't know, I swallowed a frog today, so maybe I should have done this beforehand. Yeah, we're just gonna plug it in. Okay, I'm doing this off camera. I do apologize, because I'm an idiot. Come on. Okay, so that's plugged in. By the way, it also might not be able to see it, so let me just unscrew this. And I've just actually gone and done that, but I do want to show you that maybe I need a bit better lighting over here. Come on. Okay, you can see there's a little hole right there. That is for your microphone. So I'm glad, because I actually have a 3.0mm cable that connects to my microphone. It's not a Razer microphone. I'm very sorry about that. But now I can actually hear myself through this, and that's exactly what I wanted. So that's the box, eh? So it's got it's very simple setup. It's got very easy instructions, and it's got a very nice box. I love that color. But here's instruction, and as you can see, this is a very short video. I will do a follow-up video to do a review of this, to see the sound difference. We can even compare the sound of what I'm doing now to the actual streaming video. But like I said, it's got a built-in shock mount. I hope I don't break it. And there we go. We're just going to leave this here, so you can oogle it a little bit. It's very, very, very user-friendly. That's gotta give Razer props for that. So I can't wait for them to actually release the Ripstraw here, and I'm looking forward to seeing what their camera does. I mean, I have got a Logitech webcam, one of the most popular webcams. I'm sorry I'm talking and you're looking at nothing, but I'm actually interested in their current webcam, because hey guys, we're on 119 subscribers in under 10 months. So we're gonna spend a lot of time. I know I almost broke it. That's Jason for you. Okay, very, very quick things of what I've already noticed. The one thing about this that is a bit difficult is the way that the mount is and the cable is. It's actually quite hard to get the cable in there. I don't know what it is, it being so goddamn tight, but I mean, it's a bit uncomfortable to get in there and put the cable. I guess they're assuming that once you put it in, you're never taking it out, which is fine, but gee goodness. But there we go. Okay, so that's a bit better. But yeah, like, it's quite long, that I could actually, from here it goes all the way to my laptop, which is longer than the current USB cable I have for my preamp box. So that's a definite plus. But anyway guys, there we go. There's a review, and sorry, not review, unboxing, and we will do a review later in the week. So there we go guys, the new microphone, and as always I got people to do and things to see, and please ignore everything in the background, and I will catch you next time. Hi, I'm Digital from Chitty Let's Play. If you enjoyed that video, give us a like, and if you subscribe now, you could win a PSN Live or Steam game voucher to the value of $20 American, because we're that generous, and a little bit desperate, mostly generous. So go ahead, give us a subscribe and win. Subscribe and win. Hurry, please. Could you do it quickly before it continue bigger? Could you just subscribe? Hurry before it takes over, please.